Hi everyone, it is February week 3. We have some new features to show off. Let's get started. All right, we've got a demo from Devin.
Hey everybody. This week I'm going to be showing off one of my favorite new features from the 0.33.0 release. This was developed by one of our backend developers, Shivam, and it's showing off S3 support. It's also going to be showing off some Deephaven UI support to fill in some gaps where the feature is currently lacking a little bit. And the one thing I love about this data is that it's public data and anybody can run this at home today. So I'm going to start off by just showing you the user interface a little bit. So this is a Deephaven UI component, and it's backed by some AWS blockchain data that's on S3. And we can go ahead and change dates here and jump through files. So you can see let's see how big this file is, about 500,400,000. I can jump around pretty easily, pretty fast. I can go over a column, generate stats pretty instantaneously. I could even sort by a column. So let's go ahead and sort here. You'll notice it is all very snappy. One of the reasons why is this is running on EC2 on the East Coast where the data actually lives. If you run this from home, your mileage may be a little bit slower, just depending on how far you are from the AWS data center. But we can go as far back as the very first transaction on the Bitcoin blockchain network. I believe that was 0103. So there we go. That's the first transaction ever. And it's really easy to jump through different dates. So let's just say my birthday, December 3rd. There we go. All the way up to today. So Deephaven doesn't currently have partitioned Parquet support. And so I'm going to walk you through how I built this using Deephaven UI a little bit. This is a repository that I just created. Anybody can run it at home, check it out, run this Docker compose command, and you'll have exactly the same experience that I have. Basically, I did an S3 list on this bucket right here, and it's publicly available. And I created a CSV file of all the dates and all of the specific URIs, S3 URIs. And then on the Deephaven UI side, basically what you're able to do is you're able to hook up a component here. And so you'll see I am doing a flexible text box here, and that's this part right here. I'm not going to go too much into the details, but when the value changes, this value gets passed to the back end here, and it executes this read transactions with this S3 URI. And here's our new code, the Parquet read support for S3 URIs. We've got some special instructions that we support for that. Specify the data center. We can specify anonymous access since it's public. And two important parameters here are read ahead count and fragment size. If you want to know more about what those exactly mean, you can go ahead and read the documentation. And then I'm specifying the table definition just to keep a few problematic columns out. And then again, yeah, we can jump through it, sort it, look at it, and hopefully we'll eventually have partitioned Parquet S3 support. But until then, you can potentially work around it using Deephaven UI features. And yeah, that's the demo.
Thanks. Very cool. That's it for this week. Thanks everyone. Bye.